In diagram A, these three resistances are connected in parallel connection. In the same manner, these three resistances are connected in parallel connection. The resultant of these resistances and these resistances will be connected in series connection with this resistance. Let's see how we can solve this. First, considering this part, these resistances are connected in parallel connection. Therefore, in parallel connection, the formula is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Putting the values of R1, R2 and R3, we get 1 upon Rp is equal to 3 upon 1. Therefore, Rp is equal to 1 upon 3 ohm. Again, similarly, solving this, as the values are same, we will get the same. Rp is equal to 1 upon 3 ohm for this also. Now, representing it as its result is this Rp, this is R, and its result total effective resistance of this is Rp. The values of Rp is 1 upon 3 ohm, value of R is 1 ohm, and value of Rp is 1 upon 3 ohm as we have calculated. Now you can see that these resistances are now in series connection. Therefore, to calculate the total effective resistance, we will apply the formula of series connection. Rs is equal to R1, R2 and R3. As in this case, R1 is Rp, R2 is R, and R3 is Rp. Therefore, substituting these their values, we'll get 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R3 is equal to, on solving this, we'll get 1.6 ohm. This is the total effective resistance. Similarly, in figure B, you can see these two resistances are connected in series connection. Likewise, these two resistances are connected in series connection. But the resultant of this and this would be connected in parallel connection. Therefore, let us solve first this part. So, between point A and B, as these resistances are connected in series connection, therefore, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2, we will get 6 ohm. The resultant resistance is 6 ohm. Similarly, between point C and D, as the values are same, we will get the value same, that is 6 ohm. Now, the figure has changed. The result of these is this 6 ohm. The result of these is 6 ohm. Now, these resistances are connected in parallel connection. Therefore, we will apply the formula of resistance in parallel connection, that is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Putting these values, on solving this, we will get the answer 0.33. That will be the total effective resistance.